Good morning to one and all, as we've gathered here at Mangala Stadium to celebrate the 145th annual athletic meet of St. Aloysius deemed to be university. I wish you all the warmest greetings of the day. Our dignitaries for the inaugural ceremony are arriving to grace this occasion. We have with us Mr. Sonith Mendon, a proud Aloysian, coach, Athletic Federation of India, a national level athlete and fitness consultant. Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, Deputy Director of District Youth Empowerment and Sports Department, Dakshina Kannada. Reverend Father Melvin Pinto SJ, Rector of St. Aloysius Institutions. Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, Vice Chancellor, St. Aloysius deemed to be university. Dr. Ronald Nazareth, Registrar, St. Aloysius deemed to be university. They are being escorted by Dr. Ishwara Bhatt and Dr. Alwyn Dessa, the coordinators of the sports meet, Mr. Arun D'Souza, the manager of the sports meet, and the members of the student council, led by Vance Rion D'Souza, president, and the other members. We begin with the flag ceremony. The college sports secretary, Ms. Arlene Lobo, will receive the flag from Reverend Father Melvin Pinto SJ, and Reverend Father Melvin Pinto SJ shall now hand it over to the 6 flag bearers. These 6 individuals represent the spirit of sportsmanship and achievement. Sanjay Benjamin D. Cruz, state level cricketer, captain of the college cricket team. Maunish Shetty, member of the Aloysian athletic team and a medalist in Dasara district level long jump event. Joel Lobo, captain of the football team. Melissa Montero, member of the throwball team. Varshini, a state medalist in powerlifting and All India Inter-University South Zone cricketer. Vishaka represented Mangalore University in All India Inter-University South Zone basketball tournament. Teams, attention. For the tune of the band, the teams will now march. By the right, quick march. The march past is led by Miss Arlene Lobo, the sports secretary. Following her are the flag bearers of our university, upholding values of discipline and integrity. Marching next are the office bearers of the Student Council, led by President Vance Rion D'Souza, Vice President Fatima Taufira Bangana, Secretary Anson Rego, Joint Secretary Shaina D'Souza, Cultural Secretary Advika Shetty, and the Vice Chancellor's nominee Vinay Mayekar. Marching next is the sports team of the college, with the essence of pure sportsmanship, instilling the values to embrace success with grace and to view defeat as a stepping stone, not a setback. They march with zeal and passion.
Kicking off the march with energy and vigor. Here comes the first BAA, championing the theme sports and fitness. They remind us that fitness is not just about physical strength, but also about mental resilience, which paves the way for a healthy and fulfilling life. Gracefully marching forward are the students of First BAB with the theme The Season's Silent Cry, capturing the urgent and often overlooked impact of climate change, symbolizing how the natural world is quietly suffering as a result of human activity. The seasons, once predictable and balanced, are now disrupted by extreme weather. Marching with pride in the richness of indigenous culture, we present First BAC with the theme Tribal Empowerment. This theme sheds light on the importance of recognizing and uplifting these communities, ensuring they receive the respect and opportunities they deserve.
सांस्कृतिक अस्मितायेचो संदेश घेऊन पुढे सरतात सेकंड BA A बॅच आदी फालें हो विषय युवा पिळगेक आपली अस्मिताय भरमान वेंगचे सांगता सोमसराच्या विस्तृत तळार जावची वडावळ आणि लागच्या अवकाशांक उगाडूंक उलो दिता आणि फाळा तिरयल्याक लागी तोराय म्हणली सांगणी रुजो करता त्या देखून आमची संस्कृती आमी वेंगुया जागोवया आणि मुखल्या पिळगेक दिवया.
Here on the marching track, we have second with their theme promoting messages of peace and non-violence. It encourages collaboration, sustainable development, and long-term societal progress. Ultimately, peace builds a better future, while violence perpetuates cycles of destruction. As we move ahead, look at that impeccable discipline and harmony. Indeed, it's a sight to behold as second BAC batch march forward with their theme, The Guardian of Democracy, highlighting marching forward the dais with poise and power. There comes third BAA batch with their theme, UN Sustainable Development Goals towards 2030, Actions for a Sustainable Future, highlighting progress and challenges in achieving sustainable goals.
ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ವಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ಥರ್ಡ್ BA B ಬ್ಯಾಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಶತಶತಮಾನಗಳ ಅನುಭವದ ನಂತರವೂ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯುದ್ಧ ಒಂದೇ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂದೇಶ.
Following them are the enthusiastic students of 3rd BAC batch with their theme Empowering Voices, Transforming Lives. This theme highlights their commitment to amplifying marginalized voices, addressing social inequalities, and building sustainable solutions to uplift communities and inspire confidence. Up next, we have the students of 1st BVOC with their theme Empower Knowledge Through Skill. This theme highlights the importance of combining knowledge and practical skills to create opportunities, drive innovation, and foster personal and community growth. Presenting your theme, Recycle, Protect Our Planet. This theme emphasizes environmental responsibility and encourages everyone to actively engage in sustainable practices to contribute towards a healthier and more sustainable world.
अंगदान एक महान कार्य है जिसमें व्यक्ति अपने अंगों की दूसरों की जिंदगी बचाने के लिए दान करता है. ये उपहार है जो किसी जरूरतमंद को नई उम्मीद और जीवन देता है. समाज में अंगदान के प्रति जागरूकता बढ़ाते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं 3rd BVOC के विद्यार्थीगण. Marching ahead with pride and enthusiasm are the students of 1st BAC DS batch with the theme Drive Slow, Drive Safe. Stay in control as speed thrills but kills. Slow and steady keeps you ready for life's journey.
Here comes marching with the theme, The Unsung Heroes of India, the students of 1st BSc AIM. The theme honors the lesser-known individuals who have made significant contribution to the nation's history, culture, and development. This tribute inspires us to recognize and emulate their spirit in our daily lives. Marching to the beat of thriving hearts are the students of 1st BSc BEAM, showcasing the theme, Global Goals. Need bold action to overcome them, and that is where the global goals come in. They are a plan agreed to by all world leaders to build a greener, fairer, and better world by 2013. Let us now witness the students of 1st BSc C batch marching along to the theme of Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals represent a call to action. The idea is to balance economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental sustainability so that development today does not compromise the ability of future generations to thrive.
పచ్చె పజిరిదించి కాಡು ಪ್ರದೇಶಡು ಇಪ್ಪು ನಂಚಿತ್ತಿ ಗಾಳಿದೆಲ ಕೊನೆ ಆತ್ಮಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಪಜ್ಜೆಲೆನ ತುಂಬತ್ತದಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಪನ್ಪಿ ಇಸೆಯದೊಟ್ಟುಗು ನಡತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ BSc ಡಿ ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಲು ಪೊರ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿದ ಉಸಿಲ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ ಈ ಕಾಡು ಇಂಚಿತ್ತಿ పొలములు సృష్టిడు కాడలను ఒరిపాగ కాడలను బులెపాగ.
Marching ahead is the dynamic team of 2nd BSc A batch. Celebrating the fundamental right to vote, a cornerstone of democracy, they believe that college students, as the future leaders of our nation, should have the power to shape their own destiny through the ballot box. Now, pushing forward, we have the 2nd BSc B batch, showcasing that the Paralympics is a celebration of human spirit and athletic excellence. Athletes with the disabilities push the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring millions with their courage and determination. Let's honor these extraordinary individuals who prove that true strength lies within, regardless of physical limitations. Now, forging ahead, supporting the cause of endangered species is the 2nd BSc C batch. Endangered species are facing the brink of extinction due to human activities like habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Protecting these species is crucial for maintaining biodiversity.
विलुप्त प्राय प्रजातियां वे जीव जंतु और पौधे हैं जो अत्यधिक खतरे में हैं और धीरे धीरे दुनिया से समाप्त हो रहे हैं। इसका मुख्य कारण मानव गतिविधियां हैं, जैसे जंगलों की कटाई, प्रदूषण, शिकार और जलवायु परिवर्तन। बाघ, गेंडा, पांडा, कछुए और कई पक्षी इसकी चपेट में आ चुके हैं। इस विषय के प्रति जागरूकता पैदा करते आ रहे हैं 2nd BSc D के विद्यार्थीगण। Galloping forward, we have 3rd BSc A batch with the theme Power of Youth, symbolizing energy, resilience, and the boundless potential of young individuals. It celebrates the role of youth as torchbearers for a bright future while reflecting values like determination, teamwork, and progress. Moving ahead, we have 3rd BSc B batch with the theme Wildlife Safety. It is a creative and meaningful choice that blends the excitement of sports. This theme can inspire participants to learn about protecting wildlife while fostering teamwork. Now marching forward, we have 3rd BSc C batch with the theme Animals in Human Service, highlighting the invaluable roles animals play in assisting humans in various capacities. While connecting this idea to the spirit of sportsmanship, they march forward with vigor and expression.
ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ನೋ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವವರು 3rd BSc D ಬ್ಯಾಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ನ ಚೆಲುವನ್ನು ಸೆರೆ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನು ಜೀವರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತರುವ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯ. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ನ ವೈಭವದ ಆಚರಣೆ.
Presenting to you first BCom A batch with the theme Sustainability. It is the key to securing a better future for our planet. Together, let's choose sustainability as a way of life and a promise to the earth. Joining us next is the ever energetic first BCom B batch with the theme Unity in Diversity. This theme emphasizes the strength and harmony achieved when people of different cultures, religions, languages, and traditions come together. It highlights the idea that diversity is not a weakness, but rather a source of enrichment and growth. Up next, we have the vibrant first BCom C batch with the theme Environmental Protection. Environmental protection is our collective responsibility to safeguard the planet for future generations. Let this march be a reminder that every small step we take today can lead to a greener, healthier, and more vibrant earth tomorrow.
Next up, embracing the power of sustainability is the first BCom F batch, spreading awareness about the importance of green energy, creating a better future for generations to come, one renewable step at a time. As we move ahead, we have the first BCom G batch, embodying the spirit of perseverance. As they march forward, they demonstrate exceptional strength, rising above challenges, overcoming obstacles, and pushing boundaries.
ಕಡಲನ್ನು ಒಲಿಪಾಗ ಪನೊಂದು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಇಸೆಯದೊಟ್ಟುಗು ತುಂಬು ಬರೊಂದುಲೆರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಂ ಹೆಚ್ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಲು ಭೂಲೋಕದೊರ್ಮಲ ಉಪ್ಪುನಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಆಂಡ ಆ ಕಡಲನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಚ ಜೀವನೋಡು ಪನ್ಪಿನಲ ಬಾರಿ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತದ ಇಸೆಯ.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes first BCom I batch, showcasing their theme, Constitution of India. It is the supreme law that establishes the framework of governance and safeguards the rights of its citizens. Up next, we have second BCom A batch with their unique theme, Tribute to Samosa Ajja, also known as Mallikarjuna Malagi, was a beloved snack seller at St. Aloysius Institution, Mangaluru. He was known for his bright smile and was a familiar face to students and staff. Gracefully marching forward, we have second BCom B batch with their sensitive theme of the day, suicide prevention. It is preventable and the efforts to prevent it may occur at the individual, community and society level.
ओलंपिक्स की सौजन्यता को दर्शाते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सेकेंड बीकॉम सी के विद्यार्थीगण। ओलंपिज्म की तीन मूल्य है उत्कृष्टता, सम्मान और मैत्री। ये तीनों मूल्य ओलंपिक के संचालन की नींव का आधार है, जो खेल, संस्कृति और शिक्षा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए काम करते हैं, जिससे एक बेहतर दुनिया का निर्माण हो सके।
Up next, we have the students of 2nd BCom D batch with their theme Voice for the Voiceless. This theme highlights their dedication to speak for the unheard and unseen, the oppressed, the forgotten and the silenced, from the hidden struggles to a brighter future, and to bring to hope to those in need. Marching ahead with spirit are the students from 2nd BCom E batch with their theme World of Sports. This theme highlights how sports unite people globally, showcasing their physical, mental, cultural and social impacts on individuals and communities. Showcasing with spirit of unity in diversity, we present 2nd BCom F batch, celebrating the country's varied cultures, religions and traditions coming together as one. They highlight the beauty of harmony in diversity.
ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಲಿರುವುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಂ ಜಿ ವರ್ಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ತಂಡ. ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯದ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸಾರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And now showcasing the theme, we have 2nd BCom H batch. The theme for today is child marriage. This harmful practice disrupts childhood. Through their efforts, today they march to raise awareness. This contingent marches with vigor and resilience to create change. Following them is 2nd BCom I batch with the theme Farmers. the real heroes of our nation. Just as athletes dedicate themselves to their sport, farmers commit their lives to nurturing crops, ensuring the survival and prosperity of the entire country. Moving up the order, we have 3rd BCom A batch with the theme Animal Welfare. Incorporating the theme of animal welfare, they want to show participants and spectators about the importance of treating animals with compassion. It is a creative way to promote kindness and responsibility.
ತುಳುನಾಡದ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ತೆರಿಪಾವೆರೆ ಬರಂದುಲ್ಲೇರ್ 3rd BCom B batch ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಡು ಪುಗರ್ತೆದ ಅಂಚನೆ ಪೆರ್ಮೆದ ಮನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಧರ್ಮಲು ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಭಾಷೆಲು ಉಪ್ಪುನ ಪೊರ್ಲುದ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡದು ಪುಟ್ಟುದು ಬದುಕಿನಕ್ಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ತುಳುನಾಡದ ಗತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಕೆ ಬಂಡ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಆಚರಣೆದ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಕೆ ಉಂಡು ಪಂಡಿದು ತೋಜಾಯಿನ ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಮನ್ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಜೈ ತುಳುನಾಡು. Taking the spotlight now, we have with us 3rd BCom C batch with the theme Save Historical Monuments. This theme emphasizes the importance of preserving our cultural heritage, which reflects the history, art, and identity of the nation. Now making their way forward, it's the vibrant 3rd BCom D batch with the theme Organ Donation Awareness, celebrating the gift of life. Organ donation is a selfless act that offers a second chance at life to those in need. Let's honor the generosity of donors and their families. Up next, stepping onto the field with pride are the 3rd BCom E batch with the theme Echoes of the Unsung, the Untold Workers. These are the unseen heroes who quietly transform their struggles into stepping stones for a better world. Through their efforts, they create lasting change and inspire us all.
ಉದಿತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದುಂಬುಗು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ಪಂಪಿನಂಚಿತ್ತಿ ವಿಷಯದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗಾದ ನೆತ್ತೆರೆ ಅರಿಪಾಯಿನಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ವೀರನ ಸುಗಿತೊಂದು ಬರೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆರು 3rd BCom F ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಲು ಬೊಕ್ಕೊರಿಯನ ಎಡ್ಡೆಪ್ಪುಗು ಬೋಡಾದು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಬಲಿದಾನ ಬಿರ್ಸಾದಿಗೆದಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಗುಣಕ್ಲೇನೆ ದೆರ್ತ್ ಪತ್ತಿನಂಚಿನ ಶೂರ ವೀರರಿಗೆ ಉದೊಂಜಿ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ.
Marching ahead, we have 3rd BCom G batch, proudly presenting their theme Women Empowerment. With every step, they embody strength, equality, and inclusivity. Followed by 3rd BCom H batch with the other half of the equation, equality for men, recognizing the unsung struggles of men and promoting equality for all.
देवी और सज्जनों, हम एकता और अनुशासन का अद्भुत प्रदर्शन देख रहे हैं. आप सभी के सामने दया के चैंपियंस विषय पर आवागमन करते हुए आ रहे हैं 1st BBA A बैच के विद्यार्थीगण. सहानुभूति और आभार की परिवर्तनकारी शक्ति पर जोर देता है, जो एक बेहतर समाज बनाने में सहायक होती है.
Here we have the students of 1st BBAB marching with the theme Life of a Soldier. A patriotic soldier wakes up every day with a strong sense of duty. He trains rigorously both physically and mentally to be prepared for any challenge that may come his way. Up next, we have 1st BBA C batch students confidently marching with the theme Justice Delayed is Justice Denied. It is relevant in several cases where systemic inefficiencies and lack of timely interventions caused significant distress. Many innocents were reportedly victims of delayed judicial process. Marching with the theme Go Green, Go Clean, here we have the students of 1st BBA D batch. This is a call to come together for a sustainable future, reduce waste, reuse resources, and recycle to protect our environment.
ಏಕತೆಯ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1st BBA ಈ ವರ್ಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಏಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಸಮಾಜದ ಆಧಾರ ಸ್ತಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇತರರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ತಂಡ.
Diving deep into a cause that matters, we present the 2nd BBA A batch with their theme Beneath the Blue, a call to protect, highlighting the urgent need to protect aquatic and ocean life. This theme focuses on reducing pollution, preventing overfishing, and preserving natural habitats, ensuring marine creatures not only survive but thrive in the air blue world. Presenting the second BBA B batch with their theme Sustainable Urbanization, focused on creating resilient, eco-friendly cities. This theme emphasizes balancing economic growth, social equity, and environmental protection for a better future. Marching ahead are the students of 2nd BBA C batch with their theme Pollution, its Effects and Remedies. To this theme, they highlight the harmful impacts of pollution and propose solutions to prevent its consequences, fostering a cleaner and a healthier environment.
आता तुमचे मुखार सेकंड बीबीए डी बॅचचे विद्यार्थी कैगारिका क्रांती आणि प्रकृती समतोलन या विषयाचे प्रकृती समतोलन गरजेचे म्हूण दाखयते आसात.
Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Ladies and gentlemen, as they promote the transformative power of education for all, a vision where no one is left behind in learning knows no barriers. Let us welcome the students of 2nd BBAE marching forward. In this fast-paced digital world, we often forget the value of genuine human connection. Here's the theme, Disconnect to Reconnect, reminding us to unplug the virtual world and reconnect to the moments and people that truly matter. Presenting this, marching forward are the students of 3rd BBA A batch. Raising awareness is the first step towards prevention and support. With a powerful message on cancer awareness, highlighting the importance of early detection, treatment, and standing in solidarity with those battling this fight, marching forward are the students of 3rd BBA B. हर मुस्कान के पीछे एक कहानी है. समाज अक्सर पुरुषों से चुप रहने की उम्मीद करता है, लेकिन उनकी भावना भी उतनी ही सच्ची और गहरी होती हैं. अब समय आ गया कि हम इन संघर्षों को पहचाना जाए और बिना भेदभाव के उन्हें सुना जाए. संदेश को प्रस्तुत करते हुए आ रहे हैं 3rd BBSC के विद्यार्थीगण.
Let us all witness the students of 3rd BBAD marching with enthusiasm along to their theme, Reality Amplified, Not Escape. This is a call to use technology to enhance, not escape reality. Let us also harness technology to solve problems, inspire creativity, and connect people. The students of 1st BCA are now proudly marching to the theme Artificial Intelligence, Eroding Human Creativity. This theme raises an important question about our evolving relationship with technology and highlights the concern that over-reliance on AI may diminish human innovation and originality. Marching in unison, the students of 1st BCA-B present the theme Live Life in Cyber Bliss, Secure Your Data. Cybersecurity is useful to counter any scams or frauds online, protect against unauthorized actions, and against any other cyber threats. It is important to stay vigilant and protect yourself from attacks that threaten social security. अब हमारे सामने 1st BCAC के छात्र एकता में शक्ति विषय प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं. एकता में बल है, विभाजन में पतन. यह वो बंधन है जो तब बनता है जब व्यक्ति या समूह किसी समान उद्देश्य के लिए एकजुट होकर समर्थन करते हैं.
Marching forth is 1st BCA D batch, displaying that India's cultural legacy is a kaleidoscope of diverse traditions, philosophies, and artistic expressions. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the vibrant colors of modern India, this rich heritage has captivated the world. Now, parading with pride, depicting the Kargil War is the 2nd BCA A batch. A 1999 conflict between India and Pakistan saw brave Indian soldiers fighting in harsh conditions to reclaim the territory illegally occupied by Pakistani forces. Their sacrifice and valor are forever etched in the memory of Indian history. Feat- Featuring a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand is the second BCA B batch. The spirit of sportsmanship, determination, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, inspired by the legacy of legends like Major Dhyan Chand, let's honor our athletes, their sacrifices, and their triumphs as they bring glory to our nation on the global stage.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ BCA C ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. ಇವರ ವಿಷಯ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೋಪ್. ಇವರು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ಧೈರ್ಯದ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರೀಡಾತ್ಮಕತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಧತ್ವಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾದ ಶಬ್ದ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾವಂತ ಎಂದು ಗುರುತಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಶಕ್ತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Adding charm and enthusiasm to the field, we have with us second BCA D batch with the theme Microplastic Awareness, Small Pieces, Big Impact. Microplastics are tiny pervasive particles that have significant impact on our environment and health. It's crucial to raise awareness and take action. Need for sustainable solutions to protect our planet's future.
Embracing the power of diversity, the students of MA English are marching ahead with the theme Inclusivity. This theme emphasizes the importance of including all genders, men, women, and transgender individuals in academic and workplace, promoting equality and respect for all.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ನಡಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಎಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಎಸ್ಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೈನಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನಿನ ಬಳಕೆ ಅತಿರೇಕವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ವ್ಯಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ.
Heading forward, we have the students of MSc Biotechnology with the theme Road Safety. Road safety is a shared responsibility that requires awareness, discipline, and adherence to traffic regulations.
लाइफ आफ्टर लाइफ, अंगदान एक महान कार्य है जिसमें व्यक्ति अपने अंगों को दूसरों की जिंदगी बचाने के लिए दान करता है. ये जीवन का सबसे बड़ा उपहार है जो किसी जरूरतमंद को उम्मीद और जीवन देता है. अंगदान से कई लोगों की जान बच सकती है. जिंदगी के आगे की जिंदगी को दर्शाते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं एमएससी फूड साइंस के विद्यार्थीगण.
सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया. क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया. तुझ में ही मेरी सुबह, तुझ में ही हर शाम, तुझसे ही करता शुरू हर कोई काम. शुक्रिया करता हूँ मैं लेके तेरा नाम, आदर और धन्यवाद आज तेरे नाम. शुक्रिया 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 तेरा, शुक्रिया 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 प्रभु तेरा.
I now request Dr. Ishwara Bud, the coordinator of the sports meet, to welcome the gathering.
A very good morning to all of you gathered here. Good morning. I am delighted to stand before you to do the pleasant task of welcoming everyone gathered here on this auspicious day of 145th Annual Athletic Meet of St. Aloysius Deemutubi University, Mangalore. First of all, I would like to welcome the president of this athletic meet, none other than the rector of St. Aloysius Institutions and pro-chancellor of our university, Reverend Father Melvin Joseph Pinto SJ. A very warm welcome to you, Father. Next, I would like to welcome the chief guest of this annual meet, Mr. Sonit Mendan, proud alumnus of Aloysius, coach in Athletic Federation of India and a national level athlete and fitness consultant. A warm welcome to you, sir. We have Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, the Deputy Director of District Youth Empowerment and Sports Department, Dakshina Kannada. He is our guest of honor today. He is also the proud alumnus of St. Aloysius College. I would like to extend hearty welcome to Mr. Pradeep D'Souza. A warm welcome to you, sir. It is my pleasure to welcome Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university. He is with a lot of dreams about our university and one who is supporting all activities of the university. A warm welcome to you, Father Vice Chancellor. I am very happy to extend welcome to our registrars, Dr. Alvin Dasa and Dr. Ronald Nazrat. A warm welcome to both of you, dear sirs. It is my pleasure to extend warm welcome to Mr. Arun D'Souza, the Director of Physical Education Department and Manager of the Sports Meet, and also to Ms. Nitisha Rodriguez, the Assistant Manager of the Meet. Welcome, sirs. I would like to welcome Reverend Fathers, Directors of various blocks, Deans, HODs, and faculty members of the university who are all present here. Dear students, today it is your day. You have shown excellent leadership and sportsmanship through your beautiful march past. I congratulate you. I would like to extend a very special welcome to all of you, especially to the Student Sports Secretary, Student Council members and office bearers of the Student Council. And I would like to extend special welcome to all students gathered here, and I wish you all a wonderful and memorable 145th Annual Athletic Meet. Thank you.
As a mark of our Go Green initiative, I request our Vice Chancellor to welcome our chief guest with a sapling. I now request Father Rector to welcome our guest of honor with a sapling. Team's attention. Our chief guest, Mr. Sonith Mendon, and the dignitaries will now proceed for the introduction of the teams along with Mr. Arun D'Souza, the Director of Physical Education. Team's attention. It is now time for the flag hoisting ceremony. Mr. Sonith Mendon, our chief guest, will now hoist the flag. It's time for our college anthem. Attention.
Come, let's raise a joyful chorus, loud and glad. pledge to stand united, true to her forevermore. While we pledge to stand united, true to her forevermore. While we pledge to stand united, true to her forevermore. Louder, louder, swell the chorus for the happy days of yore, for the hopeful, toiling present, and the years that lie before, for the name and fame and honor of a mother evermore, for the name and fame and honor of a mother evermore, for the name and fame and honor of a mother evermore.
Up next is the torch ceremony. The torch bearers will carry the torch and hand it over to the president of the inaugural ceremony, Reverend Father Melvin Pinto SJ. Our torch bearers for the day are Satvik S. Kumar, participant in the All India Inter-University South Zone Softball Tournament. Shavin Seravo represented Mangalore University in All India South Zone Inter-University Table Tennis Tournament. Sneha Shri KP, participant in the All India Inter-University South Zone Chess Tournament. Vinay, participant in the All India Inter-University South Zone Table Tennis Tournament. Vindhya G. Bandari represented Mangalore University twice in Khelo India Sports Meet and All India Inter-University South Zone Swimming Competition. Shubha Prada represented All India Inter-University South Zone Bronze Medal 6th Board. Manoj Sunegar, participant in All India Inter-University South Zone Basketball Tournament. The torch is now handed over to the President by Manoj Sunegar. The President will now raise the torch and acknowledge it. The President will hand over the torch back to the torch bearers. Our college motto, Lucet et Ardet, meaning shine to enkindle, urges us to burn and emit light in the society. Students, you may sit in the spots that you've been given. Students, you are requested to sit exactly where you are. May I now request the chief guest, Mr. Sonith Menden, to give the inaugural address and declare the meet open.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Keep up your energy. Respected principal, esteemed faculty member, dear student. It's an absolute honor and a moment of a great pride to stand here as a chief guest for the 145th annual athletic meet of this esteemed institution, which holds a special place in my heart. Being an alumni of this college, I can confidently say that my journey as a student here laid the foundation for everything I have achieved today. This college was where my dream took shape. Winning a Benjamin Award for the best outgoing sportsman in the year 2009 was not just a trophy, but a testament to the immense support I have received from my mentors here. Sports has been an integral part of my life. From being a national level athlete, specializing in 100 and 200 meters, winning silver medal in 100 and 200 meters in All India Inter-University Athletic Meet, to represent St. Aloysius College was a pride which had placed me in the sports quota under Karnataka Forest Department under sports quota. Later as a coach of Athletic Federation of India and a fitness consultant, I realized the value of giving back to the community that has shaped me. To all the athletes here, today I urge to give your best, compete with passion, and the most important, respect your opponent. Thank you once again for inviting me to be a part of this special occasion. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. I declare St. Aloysius deemed to be University Annual Athletic Meet 2024-25 open.
As a mark of Aloysian sporting spirit soaring high, the dignitaries will now release the balloons to kickstart this event. I request our Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, to address the gathering.
Respected Reverend Father Melvin Joseph Pinto, Rector and the Pro Chancellor of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, Mr. Sonit Mendon, the Chief Guest, Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, the Guest of Honor, the Registrars, the Coordinator of the Fest, Dr. Ishwar Bhatt, and Mr. Arun D'Souza, the Physical Education Director, and my dear members of the faculty and my dear students. I wish you all a very happy and special 145th Annual Athletic Meet of St. Aloysius deemed to be University. Under the university, this is the first athletic meet that we have, and we are having it at Mangala Stadium. You know, this is a very prestigious stadium, and also all of you have shown your discipline, and I like the creative themes and very special themes that you brought out, realizing the importance of our health, importance of our life as a gift to realize that the physical fitness is very, very important. In our times, how do we really stay fit is very important. I would like to congratulate all the students for coming on time today to this stadium and also showcasing your discipline and your love for St. Aloysius deemed to be University. I would also like to appreciate all the sports people over here, you have really expressed their love for sports and also shown competence in the field of sports. As you all know, the sports plays a very important role in our life. Let us give importance to sports and also physical fitness, remembering three important things: the competence, the commitment, and the passion. Let us continue to practice and hold the flag of St. Aloysius deemed to be university always high. Wishing you all the best. God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. I now request our President, Reverend Father Melvin Pinto SJ, to make his presidential remarks.
Good morning to you all. Dear Mr. Sonit Menden, the chief guest of the day, and a proud alumnus athlete of the nation, Dr. Father Praveen Martis, the Vice Chancellor, Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, the guest of honor, the other dignitaries on the days and off the days, guests, members of the faculty, and my dear students. You are in the hot sun, and I know I shouldn't speak too long. I just want to say all the best. You have had a great beginning with wonderful march past. I did really appreciate your wonderful march past. With all the trouble that you have taken, congratulations for that. It also shows a good attitude that we are going to be good sports persons. Don't forget that the Olympics had more than 10 research scholars of life sciences, physical sciences, and social sciences. So you all can still be in academics and sports. Keep up the spirit. May St. Aloysius deemed to be university become famous also for sports. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Students, please be there wherever you are. We have got just a short program. Please be there. We request our volunteers and class guides to manage the proceedings.
Team's attention. It is now time for the oath-taking ceremony. I request the flag bearers of all the teams to march towards the university flag with the tune of the band. I request the flag bearers of all the teams to march towards the university flag with the tune of the band. All students shall stretch their right arm forward as the Assistant Sports Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Benjamin de Cruz, takes the oath.
We promise that we take part in the St. Aloysius deemed to be university annual athletic meet 2024-25, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them and desirous in participating in them with a true spirit or sportsman spirit for the honor of our college and glory of sports.
Dr. Alwyn Dessa, the Assistant Coordinator of the sports meet, shall now propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks at the inauguration of the 145th sports meet of St. Aloysius, deemed to be university. First and foremost, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks to our rector, Reverend Father Melvin Joseph Pinto, who himself is a promoter of sports, health, and well-being. Thank you, Father, for your presence and your message. I would like to thank the beloved Vice Chancellor of this university, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, for being present and giving that beautiful message and promoting all of us. Thank you, Father. I would like to thank especially Mr. Sonit Menden, our chief guest, the coach, Athletic Federation of India, and national level athlete and fitness consultant. Looking at his credentials, we would like to tell you, sir, that we are very proud of you, that you are an eminent Aloysian and you have made us all proud. Let us give him a big round of applause. I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, the Deputy Director of District Youth Empowerment and Sports Department, for his eminent presence and helping us in many ways. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank the corporation authorities providing this beautiful stadium and ground for our 145th sports meet. Thank you. I would like to thank the Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna SJ, and the Finance Officer, Reverend Father Vishwas Miskit, for the support they have rendered to organize this sports meet. Thank you, fathers. I would like to thank the Registrar of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, Dr. Ronald Nazareth. A special thanks to the coordinator of this year's meet, that is Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, for his meticulous planning and execution of today's event. I would like to thank the two managers of today's meet, the Chief Manager, Mr. Arun D'Souza, and Assistant Manager, Ms. Nitisha Rodriguez, for your hard work and coordinating with all the staff and students and conducting this inaugural in a very wonderful manner. Thank you, Madam and Sir. I would like to specially thank the choir team for rendering the invocation as well as the college national anthem, as well as the band master and all the kids who have played so beautifully, melodiously. Thank you, the band of St. Aloysius, deemed to be university. I would like to thank especially the student council members, office bearers, the members of the sports committee, the volunteers of sports association, and all the class guides, directors, deans, heads of the departments, and faculty members for being present, accompanying your students in the March Past and making it look much more beautiful, especially our students who have come in large numbers today and shown your display of discipline during your March Past. It was a wonderful scene to watch you March Past. Great congratulations to each and every one of you. Congratulations to you. Big round of applause to you. And I would like all of you to be here in the venue during the entire day. There are a lot of exciting competitions that are lined up for you. Enjoy the day and have a nice time. Thank you so much.